Hello, Ed. This is Evan Roberts for CIS210 Data Structures in fall 2019. So, this week's program to make was a bucket sort. So, it's essentially like a divide and conquer method when you come to sorting numbers, obviously, or words. You essentially split up the entire list into sub-arrays, and you sort those instead. So you throw things into smaller buckets, and then sort those buckets, and put the buckets back into line and dump them out. So everything comes out sorted. So for bucket sort, you can actually have a different sort inside of a sort. So I'm going to nab the bubble sort that I did last week, right here, and I'm just going to use it in the bucket sort as well. Because once you sort out how everything is in the buckets, you can use whatever to sort those buckets themselves, including another bucket sort if you feel so inclined. So, we're going to have 10 slots, each of them beginning with 0.1 or 0.2, 0.3, 0.0 actually, 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, all the way up to 0.9. So, have them in different buckets, then we sort those buckets and we put them all together again, and then we print X. So right here we can see we have a nice little list of decimals, 0.54, 55, blah, 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 all the good ones. And you see 0.2, 0.4, 0.45, 0.556, 56, it all comes out sorted. So this can be done, obviously, with larger numbers. If you want to get really detailed, because it doesn't matter what size they are, just throw more of them in there. Why not? You should have changed some of them at the front, too, so you get different answers. What an idea that would be. Go ahead and run it again, and they still come out sorted. So it's kind of cool. I like the divide and conquer mindset sometimes, I suppose. And it's nice how you can implement different sorts in the sort itself, so you can even further optimize how it'll run.